was a ghost, I was alone. 두어진 길 속에 given the throne, I didn't know how to believe I was the queen that I'm meant to be.
I lived two lives, tried to play both sides, but I couldn't find my own place. Caught a problem child, 'cause I got too wild, but now that's how I'm getting paid.
끝없이 on stage, I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. We dreaming hard, we came so far, now I believe we're going up, 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 it's our moment. You know together we're going, gonna be golden. Up, up, up with our voices, going to get you so often. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. Oh, our time, no fears, no lies, that's who we're born to be. Waited so long to break these walls down, to wake up and feel like me. Put these patterns all in the past now, and finally live like the girl they all see. No more hiding, I'll be shining like I'm born to be. 'Cause we are hunters, voices strong, and I know I believe we're going up, 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 it's our moment. You know together we're glowing, gonna be golden. Oh, up, up, up with our voices, going to get you so often. Gonna be golden. Oh, I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like I'm born to be. Oh, our time, no fears, no lies, that's who we're born to be. You know we're gonna be golden. We're gonna be born to be glowing like every night on Nori. You know that it's our time, no fears, no lies, that's who we're born to be.
I wouldn't hold my breath if I was you. 'Cause I'll forget, but I'll never forgive you. Don't you know, don't you know? True friends stab you in the front. It's funny how things work out. Such a bitter irony.
There we go. Sorry, my scenes have different mic captures, so it's like whatevs. But welcome, welcome, welcome. Howdy, howdy. How's it going today? Yeah, it is time for some World of Warcraft WoW remix shenanigans, because I am behind by 2 days from being gone for 2 days, so that's where we're at. Nate, hello, howdy. This is your first time chatting, by the way. Welcome, welcome. How have you been doing? Unless you changed your name, in which, like, oh my gosh, I'm actually dumb. But you know. That could just be me. When am I going to play Warcraft 2? Do you want me to play Warcraft 2? I'd probably sooner play Warcraft 3 than 2, but I can play 2, you know? First time this new channel. Oh, base! Yo, how's the new channel? Let's go. Mostly lurked? Oh, felt. Dude, I am literally finishing my pumpkin pie and I'm good to go. One of all the Warcraft, even the ones I haven't played? Okay, so I have to play Warcraft 1 as well? Oh, gross. Oh, the older one. Okay, got it. Yeah. I'm just a dumbass who doesn't remember shit or something. That's crazy. Sorry. But welcome back, Nate. How are you? Oh my god. That's some good pumpkin pie. Holy shit. Good. How about you? I'm doing pretty good myself. I'm just, existing for a little bit. Because I don't really have much going on today, and I, you know, And Maddie reminded you the other day, what did Maddie say? Did Maddie say, oh, yeah, Volpe was just driving in their car for, like, 2 hours with no mic? Or something? Because that would be really lame if that was the case. Do you wish to load your installed profiles on this character? Do I not have them loaded already? My profiles are on this character. No? Who knows? You're such a cute bean. Oh, yeah, that makes sense, honestly. Yeah, I'm cool like that. Okay, let's quickly go Mythic Emerald Nightmare. Let's try this group real quick. Hopefully I'm not so far behind that, like, they won't invite me to this group. That's the ideal, isn't it? Oh gosh, I could be, like, really far behind. I could quickly do the Trial of Valor, maybe? Am I just that far behind? Oh gosh. What is wrong with me? Not playing WoW for that long. Holy shit. Alright, well, let's head over this way, it's fine. But Vroom Vroom stream was good vibes. Listen, like, Gecko, you have no idea how much I wanted to share how annoying that trip is, honestly. Like, that trip is just so involved for no reason, you know? And, like, it's probably fine, it's just... Wow. Quick OCE, those are just OCE groups. I don't want to be in an OCE group.
Leafbeard heard the storied has come. He's an old soul who tells a captivating tale about
Strange. So this right here is World of Warcraft
you may learn valuable
Remix of Legion. Wait, WoW Legion Remix. Other way around. Vibes of it is it's World of Warcraft during the Legion expansion. However, everything's been like built in such a way that you just infinitely scale your power over and over and over until you explode, basically. Which is a really funny thing, honestly. You know what I mean? I like explosions. So a lot of it is going through a whole bunch of the old content over and over and over again to build up your power for when the newer old content comes out. And then at a certain point later on, I'll be able to just like eliminate things. Can I just join this OCA group maybe? You miss one day. And you're behind. Like, that's fucked up. Or 2 days, I guess. But this is the second day that I missed.
Great to meet you. Off with you.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna be in a laggy realm, but like at least it'll be done. Pretty much. I love the dragons. Yes! Oh my gosh. I love the Infinite Dragonflight because like they have really cool colors and stuff, and like that's just how it is. Lindrin, welcome, welcome. How are you? Mixing and you? Oh, you know, I'm mixing it all up, alright? You have no idea. I'm literally remix pilled right now, honestly. I'm so remix pilled that I'm in an OCE group, okay? You've never seen someone play WoW? I've only heard people talk about how hopelessly addicted they were back when it was big. It looks fun. It's fine, honestly. Like, I play a lot of harder content in retail. And yeah, it's enjoyable. Okay, let me just open up WoW up just to make sure my add-ons are up to date. I didn't check that. That's potentially problematic. Oh yeah, that's a lot of add-ons to update. Let's go for that. There we go. Do you prog myth? I tried during season 1 this expansion, and strangely enough, Emerald Nightmare back in Legion. My groups normally like stop at Heroic and are like, you know what, we got AOTC. All right, all good to go. Here we are. But the problem I have, Lindrin, right now is that I missed raid night last night for the furry raid, and that's when they got AOTC like literally 30 minutes into the poll. But it was Thanksgiving today or something, so I like was out. I worked yesterday, and then whatever shit happened, you know?
Wave of decay.
But yeah.
Wave of decay.
I hope this doesn't lag too much because like I am streaming, and that's like pretty normal when I'm streaming.
Wave of decay. Wave of decay.
You know, I mean, AOTC is nothing. Yeah, exactly. It's just that, like, you don't get invited to groups for AOTC unless you have AOTC at a certain point, and if you're pugging, it's just like, yeah, the grind is not nice. I could quickly try and, like, get myself AOTC real quick, but I probably want to be inviting Jacob at that point, but let's just make sure everything's good.
The dream has changed, yet I will protect it still.
I actually don't even have my build on, so that's kind of fucked up. This is Mythic, right? I shouldn't be under the wing.
Infested. Infested.
Just pay 50k? That's like more money than I want to pay on this game. Especially since I do Mythic Plus, right?
Alas, poor Nightbendra. She served faithfully as guardian of the dream, only to be perverted into a gatekeeper of corruption.
Yeah, this is significantly laggier now that I'm streaming, but it's all fine because I think everything will be okay. So you cleared 5 out of 8? That's not too bad. Wait, that's did you do Soul Hunters or Rakdos there?
Defilement. Defilement.
It's easier in the weekly, you can get Soul Hunters loot also that way. Wait, really? You get Soul Hunters loot from killing Fractalus? That's actually fucked up. She fell in love with an Englishman. Same as Soulbinder and
I have faced
Lumathar? Wait, so if you kill Soulbinder, you just get Lumathar gear? And the other way around. Okay.
desperate to seed its
That's actually so wild. But Soul Hunter is an optional boss, so like that's the thing. That confuses me.
May Elune grant us
I do like how in Remix they did let you keep your what's it called? Your skips, but I guess everyone has skip now. Which is kind of fucked, but whatevs.
Think that my Shandow could play any part in its corruption. I must see with my own eyes
girl.
what horrors have befallen my beloved teacher. Steel your hearts against the darkness, heroes.
The nightmare consumes me.
Yeah, I know what you're talking. That makes sense. Honestly, I'm so tempted to go into like a Plexus group with like a guild like recruitment group or something with Jacob, because we know that we can at least get like that and Lumathar down pretty easily. Even if we're not intending to join whatever guild we join the group for, it's like it's so free to kill those. And I can still get my opportunity for Silk. Like Silk dropped this week, and I literally couldn't like take it because fucking this other person rolled a 90 off my 75. Like, dude, I literally rolled Silk 75 off of my veteran piece, and it's like, okay. Want to buy Mythotena or Living Silk? You need to kill Lumathar. I'm still in veteran Silk. Like, that's where I'm at. Okay. There we are. You can pray for a drop from Myth Drop of them if you kill Soulbinder. That's pretty reasonable, honestly. And Soulbinder is easy, I'm guessing, then?
Now I'll feed your bones to the storm crows.
Roaring cackle. Blood
Stamp
frenzy.
and
Blood
trample,
frenzy.
crush and crumple.
Yeah, that's so good. Easy boss drop. Yeah, I'm really far behind on the skill things. Jump off edge? Alright, bet.
I pray his spirit finds its way back.
Yeah, 2 out of 8's easy. Yeah, I'll take your word for it. It should be easy. Not too bad. I'll be a gamer, okay? The Fox drop? Yeah? Yeah, DD? What is the Fox drop? It's like the Fox drop, but like I'm dropping off a cliff and suffering and dying. That could be reasonable, actually. Okay.
The strands of life have been severed. The dreamers must be avenged.
Lumbering Mind Forger. Mark of the Nightmare. Mark of the Night Dream. Lumbering Mind Forger.
There we go. Which means people have to do the Starship for at least one person has to go on the canisters with the ads you break to remove protection. Oh, that makes sense. That's like literally so simple.
Dream comes.
Dude, that's kind of fucked up how simple that is. Real speaking. Hey, hey. It's not too bad. Unlimited power 10, that's pretty good. One more knowledge point from that. As that IRL drive I was watching you do the other day, literally, I hate Toronto where the 401 has traffic. Like, end-to-end traffic at 12:30 up down the 401. Like, that's disgusting, honestly. Like, yeah. And that's not even just the Thanksgiving weekend, that's normal. Like, I saw, like, the formation of something about to happen like that the other day as well. Meat sticking was funny to see. What? I just had a, I had a pepperette. I love my silly little pepperettes, okay? Hey, 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 hey. The spicy? That one was the hot spicy version, yeah. I'm really happy. The disappointing thing is that I was using them, or I was abusing having access to those because they were 50% off because they're within 30 days of end date at my work. And you know what happened? They're getting so close to their expiry date that they put them on the front pedestal, which means that there's probably not going to be any more for me to have lunch for lunches now. Wait, this guy's glitched out. I don't have poison cones, I don't think.
Necrotic Venom. Feeding time. Vile Ambush. Venomous Pool.
About after? Don't need to tell me twice.
The illusion of corruption falls
All good to go. The difference on Luminar is that there's 4 orbs in the room, some of them get randomly activated and it shoots energy to the boss. So you just put people to groups who soak it, so it doesn't hit the boss, otherwise it deals AoE. What? I didn't die?
Twilight's hammer ambushed and murdered Alareth.
Doesn't kill the boss? Oh, okay. When there's a pushback, there's tiny rings around everyone, so they don't overlap and spread. Yeah. That part I understood when I read it. Which is why I was like, yeah, I could easily kill Lumathar at that point. Like, it doesn't take too much mental, like, explosion to be able to, like, just do it.
Come, little ones. Savor your fear as we feast.
I don't have Tremor Totem. Just gonna stay out of range. Thanks and give on this lap? What are you talking about here? Dee Dee, are you okay? Is someone holding you hostage right now? Someones have to die at the same time? Yeah, but that's also relatively simple to do. As long as the tanks understand how the mechanics work, which at mythic level they definitely do, it's like, yeah, I'm not even worried. I love being an OCE. Oh my god.
Mind play. Mind play.
Just gonna chill here. Most people with WS AD and walls take too long to break, so the people of the threads don't die to damage. Oh yeah, that's fair. I'm even seeing it in like most heroic pug groups is that like people just wait until it's in melee range to even attack it, even if you're ranged. It's safe. It's just that like
Death Blossom.
yeah. You break walls, like 75% of people have the big circles just spread, otherwise it's weak robots. Really? Okay, okay. I see it.
Every blow struck at heart will be repaid 1,000-fold. Still you fight. Still you refuse. I journey to Nyalotha. Yeah, good for you, okay? You go have fun in Nyalotha, dude. I'm like 99% sure that you'll enjoy it there, okay? You have fun. That enemy looks interesting. What? The vagina? Yeah. Yeah, that's the enemy. Your tells you which line to go. Oh, that's not too bad. Do each of like the what's called breaks debuffs and everything all have like standardized numbering for the IDs? Oh my god, hold your weapons. I think we're beginning to break through. A single line can't hit 6 walls. If it does, it's a wipe. That felt. I'm pretty sure that's normal mechanics, to be fair, but you know, that might just be me, okay? The impurity must be cleansed. Come forth and fight for the dream. Is that you, Pharaoh-Shan?
Yes, Cenarius.
You fight with noble.
Let the nightmare be cleansed.
Father, build this fire!
Hold your weapons. It is done. Cenarius is beaten, but my great teacher lives.
Father.
There we go.
Is that you?
Xavius waits ahead in the Rift of Alm, the true heart of the nightmare. Would that I could fight at your side, heroes, but
how did I get
this place
34 stacked together? Do these stack more than 10 per stack now?
my bond with the Emerald Dream gives me great
shit.
power. But it also makes
Just
me
calculates the wall page
vulnerable to the
and
Rift's
safe
dark
zones and breaks so it's all chill. Okay.
and know this to
Just
be
put bricks down and you just see which color to go. Okay, so it's literally just like, don't even think about the mechanics, bro. It's just like, win the game, dude. Have fun.
Go, destroy the Nightmare Lord. Only this way can the dream be restored, and Azeroth be saved. We must put an end to the nightmare. Say the word, and I will take us into the heart of that twisted place.
Mechanics left go, right? Yeah, so it's just damage. Have fun doing your rotation as a prank. Or something. Looks like I've gotten myself into a Halls of Power group as well. Let's go. I don't even have to like reform anything. I can just chill. Yeah, I need to get all of my daily stuff done today. That way I can catch up for having extra days. I don't have to play WoW. Like, this is kind of hype, honestly. This should be pretty good. But yeah, I'm literally like so excited to just like get this AOTC done. That way I can focus up on quickly getting my 3k IO and then I should be good for the season, you know?
Embrace the dreaming chance. It can save you.
Yeah, everyone's already stacking on those things. That's actually insane. Good for them. Wait, they missed it.
Embrace the dreaming chance. It can save you.
No, I will not permit it.
I want to like randomly wipe on this boss for no reason, you know? Like that would feel pretty bad, wouldn't it? Hello, Doc. Howdy, howdy. Don't play each other.
Heroes, champions, step forth.
Why does my audio do that? What just happened?
Nightmare has long been a cancer eager to consume the Emerald Dream.
Yo, Levi, what's up, my dude? How are you?
Corruption.
1 second, I gotta restart. Actually, I'm not gonna restart Spotify because I'm cool like that.
Your triumph restores the dream and safeguards your world. The allies
Needs to leap? Oh my god. Did you play too much Valorant last night? Or I guess tonight? I fell asleep myself. I have to restart Spotify. That's good to know. It's not even Spotify I need to restart. That's like crazy. 1 second. Let me just open this up here. I'm gonna open this up here. Beautiful. I love when my audio is like not fucking around at all, you know? You enjoy Goobs? Hell yes! Oh, they're already at the Trials of Valor. Nice. Okay. Pixelated Star, hello! Thank you so much for the raid. Howdy, howdy, how are you doing today? Kiwi's here from there? Oh my goodness. Wait, Levi raided as well? Wait, Levi raided? Levi, what the fuck? Levi, I didn't get the sound. The sound didn't happen. Have a good night, Levi. You enjoy yourself. Oh my lord. Levi, how are you? How have you been doing at Pixelate? How are you? Dude, I'm audio issues, don't worry. Yep. That's exactly what happened, you know. So true. It's good. Turn. Okay. Okay. Is my audio okay? Like maybe, possibly, who knows? But Levi, what were you up to on your stream? Wait, let me scroll up. I gotta scroll up.
Champions, you have spilled
Valia's
minions. The time has come to enter Helheim itself.
It showed clip, but it didn't show the message.
Our final challenge.
Pixelated was playing Dead Space, but it didn't say what Levi was playing. Wait, Levi, were you playing some form of like cursed fruit game or something?
They possess the courage and skill needed for what is to come.
Or what?
Shall we be lenient with these pets of yours, Odin?
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. But yeah, Levi, you get a good rest, dude. Like, you're actually crazy.
So be it. The unworthy shall be purged from the halls.
It did the Baroque? How so? What broke? What broke today? Right. I thought that what happened was a pre-stream only thing or exclusive thing. But no, it just went to blast my ears with like sound. Broke your stream when we raided? Oh yeah, yep, definitely. Everything's broken. To be fair, I'm gone. I'm broken as well. So like you're pretty real like that. But Pixelate, how are you? I'm just checking out your channel right now. Give me a second because I haven't seen you before. I don't think. Pull up here. Get cred when you share viral clips. So true. Can burp survive space zombies? Aren't you adorable? So slay. Wow. Well, welcome, Pixelated, all y'all people raiding in with both Levi and Pixelated. Hi, you hang around 12? Okay, you know, good for you, okay? You know, some people need to, like, be supportive of this, like, 12% person or something. And I completely get it. Don't mind me, I'm in an extremely laggy WoW instance because I am literally... What is the word? In an OCE group because I love Oceanic Realms. I love when they're the only ones who will bother taking me because I need to get my mythic WoW done today or something.
Hell, you won't be a shocking weakness.
Okay. Gatekeeping their gear? Okay, yeah, it's fine. And Zervex, hello, add light mode creature. What? Listen, okay, truly, I couldn't be that bright, okay? I'm just a gamer fox, alright, Zervex? Welcome. This is your first time chatting. Did you come from Pixelated or did you come from Levi? How are you doing, by the way? Oh my god, Levi was doing Val and then did some VR chat. Oh, base, excellent. Levi like said, oh, I'm gonna be on VR chat later if you want to hang out, and I literally like fell asleep like at 9:30, whenever that was, or something. Because my plans to play ARAM fell through and I just like went to bed. Yeah, Pulpy sleeping at night. Yeah, it's crazy that when I like drive super late at night and get exhausted and then I drive on the highway again for 3 more hours through traffic, that I get tired afterwards, honestly. I'm actually surprised. Hello, Thomas. Howdy, how are you doing today? Welcome. Oh, hi. Thomas, how are you doing today? Are you... Thomas, are you doing okay with like life shit right now, by the way? Like, I see like the shit at work recently has been like kind of rough. Are you okay?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nothing for me. Going unpaid and losing hundreds a day. Dude, what?
Guardian's breath.
That is actually wild. 1 second, let me just unplug my headset and replug it in.
Oh no! Odin's mighty champions have come to end.
Okay, maybe if I replug in my headset, like that'll fix things.
So kind.
Figuring out how to float things for now. That's honestly felt, I get it. But hey, that is so loud. Yeah. I return to you from bed. Mm-hmm. So you guys can hear it becoming loud, right?
Come, mortal. Your souls belong to me.
So it's not just me. Okay, good. So yeah, I rated. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep. Welcome back. Levi, what's the stipulation here? What do I need to do?
Taint of the sea. Taint of the sea.
It gets loud, goes back down, and goes back up. Yeah, and I think that's just like probably driver issue. But like, I literally don't know what to do other than restart my computer, which I don't want to do right now because like, it's fine.
Folder longboat.
But it wasn't an issue before this, which makes me feel like it's tied to like OBS or something. Gonna see the boyfriend in February. Oh, nice. What's happening in February? Are you just like heading over there, or are they heading over here?
Decay.
Oh my god, I love it when the follow sound is that loud. LQ, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Howdy, howdy. How are you doing today? I'm Volpe, and we're here having a chill old time today. Being wholesome with an S to risk. Thank you so much for popping by. How are you doing today?
Odin will never be free. You'll catch your death of cold.
I love when notifications sends you that. Mm-hmm. Oh, NFC? Let's go.
The cold will shine.
The Deathless Marauder. Complete Trials of Valor without dying on Hunter or Shaman. Oh shit. Massive, I guess. I dream of you. Che, hello. Can I get? Oh my God. I need to shut up, Che. 1 second, 1 second. I got this. I got this. I don't have auto shoutouts like you, but like, you know, I'm cool. Trust me. Che, how are you doing today? Welcome, welcome. What's you been up to? All right, let's just go and read my weapons. Here we go. There we go. How's my power at now? 42 is not bad. It's a boyfriend, so clingy to me all the time. I joke, I swear, Koki. What, the fact that Koki and their boyfriend are like adorable and shit? Yeah, slay like that. Are you? I'm working at the moment. Oh, really? At 5 in the... Oh, I guess like you work at night. I remember now. I remember. You... Trust me, don't worry. But Che, how's work going? What's that been up to? I am literally... Okay, I'm gonna go do my emissary and I'm gonna go to retail, because, like... I can't think about doing my research test right now. Like, I literally can't think of it. Ain't have a good one? No, you have a good one, Levi, alright? I hope that you get some good rest. I hope your eyes close properly at a reasonable time and you don't mentally like wake up and everything. Work's going great tonight, then today and tomorrow off? Yo! So what are you up to today and tomorrow? Just like home life stuff, or is it like gaming stuff?
The Legion landed right on our doorstep, and Elyson simply let them in.
Elyson just let them in, honestly. Like, I don't see the issue here. Like, Elyson just let them in.
Show the Legion that some of us are not so easily.
Oh, I missed one of the world bosses yesterday. Oh, this sucks. I'm in normal worlds here. I think I can just, like, find Pocket. That's Pocket Wizard Heroic. Be on WoW Raid both nights, cutting back hours this month to the min to try and unlock partner achieve. Oh, W! Well, if it helps, I do know when you stream, and if I'm not streaming at those times, I will definitely lurk for you. Because that sounds very, very deserved at this point. Because you've been like a few months like off of it, right? For a while. Like you have like, what, the average right now? What am I doing? Is this just murky? Wait, what am I doing for this world quest? Oh, I'm still in the raid group. 8 more over 75 in the next 27 days? It's not too bad. I love when the trees run around. They're so silly. Okay. Alright, I can kill 25 demons and Pitler. Okay, yeah, okay, that's good. Perfect. This is when it's unlocked. That's a hard part. How many hours I stream? You need 8 more over 75? To unlock the button, it's just 75 average over 8 streams. The subtext that's underneath where it says like, oh, you need 8 streams of so and so many hours. Is like different. That's like the minimum requirements that they look for when you're applying an NA. Specifically NA. Yeah, you need to get back to work. Koki, have a good time. Thanks for coming by. Unlock, it's 75 over 30 days to unlock it, not to apply it, right? To unlock it, you just need your average overall to be 75 over the course of 30 days. Along with the other requirements. You just need to make min requires, and that's all good. This quest is so long. Oh my god. Try and take it easy. I hope you try and take it as difficultly as possible, okay? You got this, Koku. Like 130 hours for my total, so coming back to unlock it all. Gotcha. That's pretty felt though. That's kind of nice. I mean, you've cut yourself a nice niche with the keys you're doing and stuff, so like that's kind of vibes. When I'm finished up with like classic, I'll show you where I'm at, because like it's so silly. I love it. I love being a World of Warcraft player and just vibing really hard. I probably need to push a bit more gear now because I haven't played since they crunched last week. Yeah. But dude, I just need to get my 12s and 13s done at this point. And then I'm all good. Okay. Smells skunk outside, it's gross. You should like go outside and bark at it, honestly, Gecko. Like that's probably something you need to do. I think, right? I'd assume. Fuck that? Wow, okay. I thought you cared about your nostrils.
Redroot was once a beautiful wood, but now is overrun by monstrosities of the nightmare. This cannot stand.
Not that stupid. Okay. But if you think about it, right? It already like sprayed, right? So like at this point, like there's no there shouldn't be any problem, right? Surely. I'd like to not get sprayed, thank you. But yeah, it already sprayed like at full power, you know? Any further sprays at this point are just gonna be like less. They also cut back the 2 months to only 6 streams, so lore won't count against you. Yeah, so that's like the minimum requirements that they look for specifically as well. They'll also cut down. So that will make things a little bit easier for a lot of people as well. That isn't strictly visible. Just keep in mind the, what's it called? The partner team that like actually looks at the applications and everything. Also have a certain like strict set of requirements that they want to meet to try and like show you.
But we must do all we can.
Because they have to like, you know, review and shit. And their standards have been that you need 8 streams with 75 at least, instead of 12 or whatever. So that's not too bad. It's the goal for me, not a huge rush. Yeah, absolutely. But, you know, it will be simple enough for you. You got this shit. I'm just out here, you know, streaming WoW. If it wasn't for like Levi and Pixelated Street or raids or whatever, I'd be like silly little like small funny streamer or something, you know. And here we are, just playing WoW, collecting my time warped herbs and spices. How many is it for KFC? It's 24, right? Yeah, I'm collecting my 24 herbs and spices.
The Nightmare's assault on the Temple of Elune is ceaseless. We must lend our aid to defend this most sacred place.
Rend the flesh from their bones and drain the life from their something. Help with results? Let me know. I have up to 15. Or being at me anytime? Yeah, no worries. Yeah, I'm just like... I'm just gaming. I'm healing, so like, you know, I feel confident with going up to 13s right now, but I don't... I'm playing Prez, so Unless, you know, if I'm playing with a hunter in general, like I'm just actually feeling disgusting. Like the game just feels bad if I have a hunter in my group. Like that kind of thing is like just how it is. Especially with how bad hunters have been this season. Defecation, whoa, howdy, how are you? Ain't that fantastic? Oh, hi, Shrim. Shrim, did we watch last week's? You think the Midnight Pruning in WeakCore is? I think it's okay, honestly. Like, I'm not threatened by it. It does mean I'm going to lose a lot of, like, the cool things that look good in my UI, but it'll probably help clean up my, what's it called? Ability of things. I'm going to be playing Evoker for that season, and they're not cutting any abilities out of Evoker except Prez. They're just basically making it so that you choose between Stasis and the Fire whatever thing. Or not Fire, sorry, the Stasis or like the Life Breath. But like the Life Breath was just a nice added thing to have in your kit, you know? Like it wasn't necessarily like... I don't see it as needed for most pulls. It's just that it boosts my HPS a bunch.
Talk to me.
I didn't see the flash. Okay, flash please. Okay, it's that one. Okay, got it. There we go. Okay. Press again? It's so fun, honestly. I did not see which one it was. I didn't look. It's this one. It's this one, yep. Okay. Okay. I didn't realize it does it so instantly. Okay, it's that one. All right. Cool. My 4 world quests done. I just go to the emissary and that should be good to go. It's like over here, I think, right? Yeah. Perfect. Beautiful. Pop that, pop that. Oh, you know that I'd bleed for, you know that I'd bleed for you. You like the way it plays? Yeah, it's just so mellow, you know? Mentally, it feels comfortable to play. And I kind of just have an emotional attachment to it after playing Season 1 Dragonflight. I don't know, it's more of a me thing, I guess, at that point, but at the same time, it feels all cozy, you know? It's like up here. I've got a drop for Valorshar. Dreamweavers I'm not exalted yet. Okay, that makes sense. I'm just gonna go kill Pocket Wizard as well. Let me see my halo, even though it's painful. I can skin my player and enemy plates. I don't think that'll be a problem though. My UI is very custom. Yeah, I mean, I look at your health bars and I just see like the separate bars and everything. And that just like makes my brain like crinkle in like a way that's very like cool. It creases my brain, okay? The halo, even though it's painful, I'm prepared to lose. There we go. But yeah, I don't know. I think the add-ons that I most like actually look at, I have a bunch of weak orders that I probably don't use a bunch. I don't know how details will work, but you know.
Cheek stomp. Yuko Bang. Make the snow.
Make the snow.
Cheek stomp.
It's a little loud.
Yuko Bang.
Yeah, it should be good though. But yeah, I'll pick up whatever Prez Voker shit in just a moment. Humongous. Defeat Humongous and Val'Sharah. Game details, we'll see how that turns out. For real, for real. I really want to be able to like show like the actual breakdown of casts and stuff when I go in here. Because that's something I really like seeing, to see like my uptime for Prescience 1, Prescience 2 during dungeons and things. So we'll see how that goes. Won't be affected much. Yeah, I took off LVI because like it's just there's way too much lag there now. It's not really worth anything.
There is more than one way to solve any problem.
Still in the violent hold on normal difficulty or higher. I'm so ready to fall asleep. Let's get rid of all of this shit. There we go. Mama Wolf, hello, howdy, how are you doing today? What you been up to? I should get my freebie as well.
We are the arcane. Seek.
Obscure magic, so we can just get rid of that, I guess. How's my score? Yeah, I think 43 limits unbound is probably okay for now. I'm not going to do heroic and normal at the moment today because I'm just not feeling it. Okay, Duke Knight. Okay. All right. Well, I just closed the game instead of closing. Bruh, what's wrong with me? I'm so smart. Duke Knight, I'm smart, right? I'm gonna say I'm doing great. Thanks for asking, hun. I'm so glad you're doing well. Hell yes. Oh my lord. Okay, I'm gonna pause that. I think I can leave Face It Anti-Cheat on. I can close that. Discord's not closed. I literally can't tell if the Discord window's in my taskbar, but that's fine. My bad, I do. Oh, yeah, that's fair. That's crazy. Mm-hmm. But yeah, Duke and I'm okay, right? Like I'm real, right? Surely. Oh goodness. Guys, how do you guys feel that like Hisoku's gonna wake him and see that like they're in this stream for no reason and it's gonna be disgusting? But yeah, Momo, what you been up to recently? I think you're real. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Not sure though. Oh. Well, that's fair. That's also understandable. A lot more research. I got invited to my first panel interview. A couple small people, but it should be fun. Wait, panel interview? Wait, what for? Oh, discussing Midnight? Oh, shit. Alright, I want to get some 10s in my vault real quick. Today's reset, right? Yeah, I want to get some 10s in. Plus 10. Let's go for healer, specialization, preservation. There we go. Streets is just really long. I think I'm gonna go. Halls is also long. Plus 10 completion. I think that's just fine. Honestly, it's a vault run. I'm good with that. Just go to M plus real for a second. Wait, was that Halls? Wait. Ecodome. Okay. Cool. After 12s, it gets easy, no fixes and resills. Yeah, I've done some 12. It's pretty chill. The downside is that I don't have a full consistent group, so we randomly get like people who are very stressed out to pull a lot of packs very fast or something. So yeah, it's a grind to see people who want to complete the key versus people who think the key won't be complete unless you like overpull everything. And they just make your entire life just like pain for no reason, you know? Okay, what can I get rid of my inventory? I have the locket, right? I do. All right, awesome. What do we got here that can be eliminated? That's my veteran track silk. I'll put that on. I don't need that fiber. It's my veteran void card. I don't need that. Yeah, and then abandon it. True. Yeah, they do that, don't they? It just like feels like a waste, you know? It feels like they could be doing something better with their time, and they choose to waste their time with you instead of just, like, you know, doing what they need to do otherwise. I don't have disenchant. I have my hero Merildar, so that's good there. Should be good. Cool. My brick counter for the season's like 280. I pug a lot. My brick counter is probably like 3. I don't do high enough keys where like they actually get bricked, you know? Unless somebody does something egregious. Like in 11s, like you're not bricking an 11, bro. Like there's no... Unless you are actually just like not physically capable of doing an 11.
5, 4, 3,
like
2, 1.
That's just how it is.
5,
Soulscribe has betrayed
4,
us.
3, 2.
She broke
1.
down our defenses, and her wastelanders are destroying the domes. They must be stopped.
So just so you know, what I did ahead of time there is I queued up a Tempo Anomaly Dream Breath
My people stand
because it allows me to have like a nice like setup for early here. Oh my god, this is fucked.
Necessary.
Gluttonous miasma.
Dude.
Gorging smash.
I guess like they're fine to do that to me.
Gorging smash. Volatile ejection. Gorging smash.
The Devourers seem to be coming from the Annex.
My bones.
Stop them at the source, so we can return our attention to Soulscribe.
Volatile ejection smash.
I think I pulled aggro and didn't get pulled back. That's fucked.
Gorging smash. Gorging smash.
My power is transcendent.
Should happen unless someone's really trolling. Exactly, exactly. Like you can probably have like up to 20 deaths or something and still like pass it well within time limit. Like you probably can like 2 test that shit. Anyways.
Gluttonous miasma. Gluttonous miasma.
Look out!
Okay, looking at what's happening to this warrior right here, I feel like it wasn't my fault I kept aggro on that thing.
Volatile ejection. Gluttonous miasma.
Where the hell is this guy? Okay.
Gluttonous miasma.
There we go.
A gift.
Invading
It's calling
tree.
more in.
Toxic regurgitation.
Yeah, this should be fine. An hour left of work, so I'll just be lurking. Yeah, no worries, no worries. Have a good time, alright? Best of luck.
It's calling more in.
Shouldn't be too bad. I'm just gonna finish up this, whatever the fuck dungeon is.
Be careful. It's trying to draw you in.
Feast. Feast. Digestive spittle.
Okay, so they just ate the tank.
It's pulling more in.
Toxic regurgitation.
He died over here.
I simply wish you had lasted a little longer.
That's fair. He fox me, dust my shells. You know, okay, slay. Want to switch? I'm good.
I have men.
Just gotta get those ads down. That's so true. That is so true. Is this a worm war thing? Yeah, it is.
It's pulling more in.
Just gonna put him here. There's no reason why it should be that far away anyways.
Toxic regurgitation.
The fact of the matter is that if somebody's like that far away during a fight like this, like, what is even the point there? Like, are you just trying to like exist or something? Like, are we okay?
It's pulling more in.
A gift of power.
Be careful. It's trying to draw you in.
Okay. I think it's still better.
It's pulling more in.
Ah, I wonder how that person got back there again. Okay.
Toxic regurgitation.
It's just the stacking enemies fight.
Toxic regurgitation.
My power is transcendent. Share in it.
It's pulling more in. With that thing dead, we can return to the real problem.
Like, bro could be a bit closer, you know? Like, I'm just... I'm not sure.
Arcane slash. War. Arcane energy. Arcane zap.
Yeah, you may own the crown, you know, for fun.
Unstable core. Arcane slash. Arcane zap. Arcane energy. War. Arcing energy.
Yeah. WoW is WoW. Yeah, maybe a little bit.
Share in it.
Arcane slash.
Why is he doing it?
War. Arcane slash. Unstable core. Arcing zap. Arcing zap. War. Arcane slash.
There we go. Where'd you go for that huge drive? I was going to my mom's place. She lives very far away. And now I am back home.
Arcane slash. Unstable core.
There we go. Did you have a good time with the family? Yeah, it was pretty mellow. Roughly 6 hours of being awake over there, but like, you know. It was enjoyable.
They seek the complete annihilation of this place.
Your pursuit is pointless. Salhajar lives. My oath
Arcing
stands.
energy.
This place falls.
All of this destruction for the traitor?
All this destruction for the traitor?
Arcing energy. Arcing energy.
I guess crazy. Yeah, I don't know, like, I dislike that drive because of how much traffic there is at all times of the day. And that's the same drive I have to do when I have to, like, go to, like, friends' places who live near the Greater Toronto area and stuff. And it's just, like, it's really long for no reason.
Arcing zap. War. Arcing zap. War.
Like, is that fair to say? Is that just, like, it's a lot?
War. 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 Arcing zap. War. Arcing zap.
Roughly 3 hours.
War. War. War.
Yeah. Dude. As soon as I'm no longer trapped in the city, like, we're out.
Arcane slash. Arcing energy.
There we go. Have a good lurk, alright, Corgis? Stay safe and enjoy yourself.
Arcane slash.
I have no time for this. Tabat, be certain they follow no further.
It's just me, here's the shaman just standing in things.
No prey escapes me. You will not even touch her shadow.
Rip claws.
Yeah.
Binding javelin.
There we go.
Angie Lizard Mount? Yes, and he's about to do a very funny mechanic here.
Incorporeal. Warp strike. Arcane blitz.
And there we go. Back to business. He just kind of like does an untouchable phase and then just kind of like exists here again afterwards.
Binding javelin.
There we go. Back to business. But yeah, to give a vibe about like what's going on here with this class is I basically have two abilities that like actually do things, which are these two ones, Dream Breath and Spirit Bloom, and I basically have to kind of alternate between them in order to like exist. They're both really powerful and have the capability of healing anyone to full. I can charge this one up longer to heal more up front. If I charge up less, it heals the same amount, but more of it as a or heal over time. The second one right here, the more I charge it up, the more allies it heals.
Arcing energy. Arcing energy.
Ba-ba-bum.
Energy. Arcing energy.
There we go. So it's about making sure I always have one of those up whenever there's like damage bursts coming out, and knowing when the damage bursts are kind of come out. So if people are weirdly pulling and stuff, like I literally have no idea what's happening at that point.
K-Airshi Surge. War. Arcing Zap. Arcing energy. War. Arcing energy. Arcing Zap.
This is all back to business.
Arcing energy.
So there's instances where people are just like lower health than normal when I play this class, if I'm playing it like comfortably, which makes things seem more stressful than they are. But you know, if you're not using defensives, your health is just going to go low.
Arcing energy.
And at that point, like, it's kind of your fault.
Burrowing eruption. Burrowing
What's the
eruption.
route?
Burrowing eruption. Burrowing eruption. Burrowing eruption.
Make the route make sense.
Burrowing eruption.
6 a.m. I should be off to bed. Have a great time and wow, enjoy your Tuesday. Thank you so much, Gecko. You stay safe and enjoy yourself as well. You already slept 8 hours, so I guess I'll stay up. Oh my god, wow. I love it when Duganite goes and like watches like streams and shit or something. Like that's wild, isn't it?
Erratic ritual.
A gift of power.
Consume spirit.
There we go. Have a great night, Gecko. Stay safe and enjoy yourself. I'll see you around sometime soon.
Ritual disrupted.
Hang in there and enjoy not barking at that skunk. Enjoy silly skunk smell for ages for no reason whatsoever.
Erratic ritual.
Okay, so what is the route?
Surge.
Okay. Understood.
Burrowing eruption. Arcing zap. Arcing zap. War. Burrowing eruption.
Took that long to get to that guy? Dude. It's over.
My power is
War.
transcendent.
War.
Share in
Arcing
it.
zap. Arcing zap.
This is fine, honestly. Ooh! Make the route make sense. 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 Make the route make sense.
Burrowing eruption. Burrowing eruption. Arcing energy.
Make the route make sense.
Arcing energy.
A gift of power. You built this place on the high temple of Koresh and questioned my wrath.
It was the only place our plans stood a chance of success.
Arcing energy.
The Rev brought nothing but destruction! You have no right to this power!
We did fail you, but destroying the dome will only hurt Koresh.
Arcing energy.
There we go. The route makes sense. Trust me, okay? Trust me. It adds up, so like we're all good. That's all I really need to ask for, I guess. You wanna talk to my route? As soon as this ritualist isn't aggroed onto me, you know? Like, there we go.
Arcing energy.
Only the strong.
Like, as long as that ritualist isn't auto-attacking me, we're fine there.
Consume spirit.
Yeah.
Arcing energy. Arcing energy. Erratic ritual. Erratic ritual. Arcane Tap.
Senden. Share.
Consume Spirit. Ritual disrupted.
Enough! I will bring your one last oath to fulfill. Come and die or
There we go. Cal, teach me your vision for these.
Fate bound.
a vision of your fate.
Dread of the
Fate
unknown.
written in
Fate bound.
suffering. What do your destinies offer?
Ceremonial dagger. Fate bound.
Of power.
Eternal weave.
I write your destiny now.
Fate bound. Fate bound. Fate bound.
You, I hate your friends and they hate me too. I'm through. It's your hawker bummer anthem. Turn it up and throw a tantrum.
What do your destinies offer?
Ceremonial dagger. Fate bound.
A vision of your fate.
Dread of the
Written
unknown.
in suffering.
Fate bound.
A gift of power. A vision of your fate.
Ceremonial dagger. Fate bound.
Ooh, I hate your friends and they hate me too.
Eternal
I
weave.
write your destiny now. My enemy
2 eternal weaves, nice, okay.
punished.
40% up, 64 against people, healing,
So much wasted. All to honor an oath.
lower than a lot of people.
dying treachery.
Yeah, it happens.
But there was always the great
How many H2 for Volt is 4?
to save Karesh.
Alright, 4. Sounds good. Cal, you want to join? Oh my god. I need this vault fill. Hey, Dan. Don't need vault anymore. What do you mean by that? Oh, do you have full vault? Or a remix? Just gonna eat like a Jolly Rancher and just exist for a bit. The blessing of Jolly Rancher. The man stuck is dead, don't need gear. Oh, yeah. Yeah, his season's over, it's fine. Ba-bum. Get over. Mm-mm-mm-mm.
Um. Gambit. There we go. Easy. Hey, you say this stuff in my inventory right now? I don't think so. Just the silk right here, right? Next time I actually get out to the raid.
I offer you my aid.
Gambit, yay. Maybe if I target FPS, it'll be better. Okay. This guy's sunk for choice. Cool. There we go. Cool. This guy's a really high grade player, and he's learning about preservation of ochre right now. Let's go. I like putting popcorn in the microwave, but I don't know if I should. Should I, like, go do my quests while we wait to fill this group? Oh. Oh. No, they play Mythic. They're good. They know what they're doing. Okay, Fio. Cal, don't laugh. I'm opening Discord right now, okay? I feel as if the creature we just picked up you kick as marksman. I think we're fine. Like, it's a 10, right?
Well, that's for your time's 2:15 a.m. Oh, nice. My morning's going pretty well. It's like a different time. Oh my god. Guys, can you kick? Can you kick, bro? Can you kick? Yeah. I love my ability to kick. Alright, I'm in the Discord. There we go. Can I kick? Oh, yeah, that's a good question. Can you kick? Guys. Do you think this guy's gonna get it? It's a joke.
Yeah, can I kick? That's the question. Pardon, can I kick?
Oh my god! The ears!
What?
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Just gonna lower that down that way, like when it goes really loud, you guys won't suffer as much as I will.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, this audio is gonna be so fun. Oh my god.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Volatile pufferfish. Invigorating fish stick. Cry of MRRGGLLRRGG. Tidal stomp. Boulder throw.
Up and down. I love that sound getting really loud and quiet all the time. Oh, that's beautiful.
Tidal stomp.
I love this so much.
Invigorating fish stick.
A gift.
Invigorating fish stick. Cry of MRRGGLLRRGG.
Do you see the mate DPS?
Yeah, that's a very sharp word, actually. That's crazy. I hate the audio. I hate my sound. I hate my sound. It's actually hurting me. Physically, mentally, emotionally.
Invigorating fish stick. Invigorating fish stick. Volatile pufferfish. Invigorating fish stick.
Why is it cycling audio levels like that?
Cry of M. Volatile pufferfish. Tidal stomp. Invigorating fish stick. Boulder's volatile pufferfish.
Oh my god!
Volatile pufferfish. Cry of MRRGGLLRRGG. Title Cry of MRRGGLLRRGG. Volatile pufferfish. Invigorating fish stick. Charged pulse.
It's just me or is the mage being carried here?
Here's AFK. The mage don't do DPS. The mage that we think the mage is not supposed to is scary.
My power. Power eludes your
Crackle.
grasp, Aldalin.
Charged pulse.
A tenet of your cartel.
Power
Charged
without
pulse.
wisdom leads to ruin, Solier.
Hey, is it gonna go loud again? It is. Thank God.
See how your wisdom
Crackle. Crackle. Charged pulse. Charged pulse.
You desecrate these halls.
And the mage start DPSing. We
Only fire will purge your transgressions.
Titanic's crash.
Okay, I'm turning off Spotify for a second.
Purifying burst.
Only
Purged by
fire
fire.
will purge your transgressions. The temple must be purified.
Sanitizing cycle.
Temple must be purified.
Sanitizing cycle.
I just did 2 of those. Oh my god. Why is it?
Purifying burst.
a gift of power.
Temple guards, come to my
Titanic
aid.
crash. Purifying burst. Purged by fire.
Interlopers.
Titanic crash.
Why is this audio like this?
it is because my mic spiked sometime and just lower everything.
I'm in Discord still?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, that's fucked. Yeah, it just
Oh,
keeps
where's the
alternating
picture?
from low, medium, high, low, medium, high.
Tidal burst. Tidal burst.
But yeah, Cal, what's your opinion on like the mage damage in AoE here?
Fuckers don't do anything.
Sorry?
You don't do anything, you don't do damage, it's gone. Where
He's
it's
just-
going, it's gone.
He's doing something. Like, he has ice lances going out or something. But he does more damage in, like, single target than AoE. Why doesn't he just attack one enemy or something?
No, he's don't do nothing. I saw him, he run away. He don't do damage, he's waiting.
Don't worry. Does Rise of Evoker have kick?
Tidal burst. Tidal burst. Tidal burst.
Are you creating the markers on all the enemies?
Nope, that's what to target from an enemy.
Right, cool. I was gonna ask you which add-on it was, mainly.
I think it's DPM if you target something.
Tidal burst.
But just targeting the mage, the caster is good, it's not the problem.
A chest of gold to whoever brings me there. Take no prisoners!
Infinite breath. Time bombs. Infinite breath.
Take no prisoners!
Oh, fuck! That rock literally bumped me there.
Infinite breath. Time bombs. Infinite breath.
Take no prisoners!
Time bombs. Infinite breath. Infinite breath.
Bam! Take no
Time
prisoners!
bomb. Infinite breath. Time bombs.
My power
But I'm gonna try to kill it.
Yeah, I was trying to put it in, but like it just got too fast.
Must you hound my every step?
Drifting
You
star.
cannot control this power. The
Or
artifact
sing
belongs in
kick.
a museum.
And it dies.
Only the withered and dead belong in museums. Like your cartel. Your cartel has dissolved into dust. I choose to lead mine to
Drifting
glory.
star.
That pulsar stayed alive a long time.
Yeah, because we just only have 2 DPS.
It's true. And one of them's a fucking hunter. Sorry. Did I tell you that like I don't like hunters?
Compared to the
Unstable rift.
fucking mage who's doing nothing.
Unstable rift. Unstable rift.
But don't worry, kick, alright? Do you have kicks? I'm playing with Prez Spots. Do you have kicks?
Do I have kick too? You know?
Yeah, like, I mean, do you have a kick though? Like, I mean, Koki, do you have a kick?
A gift of power.
Bruh.
Drifting
The
star.
mate did.
Yeah, I know.
If you don't do damage, shut the fuck up.
Wandering pulsar.
There's a pulse behind
We have to
in
do the
back
pulsar,
because
yeah.
of the-
Drifting star. Unstable rift.
No,
Wandering
I'm actually a mage right now. Sorry.
Drifting star. Drifting star. Wandering pulsar.
Someone pull the other one? You're stupid.
I did, yeah.
Why?
My power is transcendent.
Bam!
Share in it.
Wandering pulsar. Drifting star.
Don't worry, we'll get the pulsar sound eventually, okay? You can trust me. Sorry, I wanted to parse real quick. Sorry.
I don't know.
Drifting
Where's the
star.
mage going? Mage stupid. Mage don't see the percentage.
Wandering pulsar.
They're over there. It's not gonna heal them.
Star.
Yeah, my healing actually did pretty well.
I will unneck you.
Bro probably's like, oh, I have rating. These people are just bad at the game or something.
Hyper light spark. Shuriken blitz. Collapsing star.
Stars are mine.
Collapsing energy. Hyper light spark. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Hyper light spark. Collapsing energy.
The mage top DPS going to the middle because that was almost FaceTime is like stupid.
Power overwhelming. Hyper light jolt. Hyper light jolt.
Be extinguished. Oppose me and be extinguished.
Oh my god.
The mage
You are how dare you hinder me?
is so new.
He has 3.2k. I don't know.
Energy fragmentation.
Oh, he's carry. I can tell you we carry him right now. He's a dead weight.
Lie in ruin.
Can we start ourselves over in this corner over here so I don't have to deal with the mechanic?
Hyper light nova.
Once. Mine to control.
Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Energy fragmentation. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy.
I have already forgotten you. Bow!
Power overwhelm jolt. Hyper light jolt. Power overwhelming.
Hinder me.
Yeah, now can we place ourselves over in this corner here real quick? That way I don't have to deal with the this one over here. Yeah, this way. That way I don't have to deal with the star mechanic.
Collapsing star.
I can.
Energy fragmentation. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Hyper light nova.
First ones. Mind.
Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy.
Must not. The first ones hid these artifacts for good reason. They are not meant for us. I am grateful
You know
our
what reason.
paths crossed, Moore Walker. These troublesome pieces will reside and do no more harm. And
Yeah,
this time my
I
cartel ally.
I feel
Until our fortunes meet again.
I feel obligated not to.
Yep. It was like you were doing shit dog DPS on a 10.
And he was obsessed with going really fast for no reason, despite like, you know, you don't need to. Floodgate?
I don't love Floodgate.
I mean, at least it's like relatively fast for like dungeon wise. I'm pretty sure we just get into the groups that we request on, honestly. And I love
What are you talking about?
What?
We don't get instant invite because we are healer and DP, healer and tank.
No, definitely not. We could never. We're actually, it's because we're at such high infinite power in, like, whatever the thing's called.
You're so low infinite power now, you missed 2 days.
I know. Well, I missed one day.
What do you seek?
Today's a different day. Or from tomorrow.
When the reason is still not there, you can still do some of it.
Yeah. I've done everything that I need to before the end of today. It just means that it's going to be a long catch-up day tomorrow.
What item level are you?
Sorry?
What item level are you in the remix?
660.
Yeah, you have a long way to go.
Yeah, I mean, it's not going to be bad. It's going to be, like, literally just do my raid, do all 12 of my infinite quests, and I should be, like, probably 685 to 690.
I passed the 700.
Nice job. Well played. But I'm pretty cool like that, you know?
And you're not in the meta, so have fun with it.
I'm not in what, sorry?
The meta of remix right now is only tank.
Well, yeah, but, like, it doesn't really matter, honestly, because I'm just going to solo things when I get there, you know?
Yeah, but we need to do a 20 for have the portal.
Yeah, but I can solo 20 when I'm, like, what, 500 infinite power? I'm fine. That's what, 3 weeks from now or something? Like, that's so simple, easy.
Alright. I am good to go.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five, 4,
3, 2, 1.
Shredation. Shredation. Bloodthirsty cackle. Flamethrower. Trick shot. Bloodthirsty cackle. Trick shot. Shredation. Trick shot. Shredation. Trick shot. Flamethrower. Shredation. Shredation. Flamethrower. Surveying beam.
At least the surveying beams are being like relatively cancelled.
Shredation.
My power is
Shredation.
Share in
Wind up. Surveying beam.
There's so many particle effects as well. Oh my god.
Flamethrower.
Shiny.
Wind up. Shredation. Shredation.
I got the thing, don't worry.
I think the Warlock got it.
Well,
Flamethrower.
Because it's meta. Be doing on top of there, so you don't need to move.
but I already got it, you know. I'm just slightly better than this guy. Yep.
Surveying beam. Wind up. Surveying beam. Wind up. Surveying beam. Surveying beam.
in it.
Okay. This is like
Rapid construction.
Then Paladin.
Destro lock mixed with all of this is like crazy like that.
Yeah.
RPGG. Trick shot. Trick shot.
And there we go, back to business. Ousting the outsiders.
Shot. Surprise inspection shot. Trick shot. Trick shot. Surprise inspection. Trick shot.
Pop. Pop.
My power
Surprise
is
inspection.
transcendent.
Surprise inspection. Trick shot. Trick shot. Surprise inspection.
I keep accidentally too empowering this ability, like that's actually fucked up.
Surprise inspection. Surprise inspection. Electro Crush. Doom Storm.
Time to tangle.
Sonic Boom. Doom Storm. Maximum Distortion. Doom Storm.
Maximum distortion. Doomstorm.
Doom
Maximum
Rush.
distortion.
Doom Storm. Maximum Distortion. Sonic Boom. Maximum Distortion. Jump Start. Jump Start.
Come on, don't check his cooldown.
Mobilize Mechadrone.
I mean, Bloodlust, right?
Yep.
Electro Crush. Doom Storm. Doom Storm. Sonic Boom. Doom Storm. Maximum Distortion. Doom Storm. Doom Storm. Electro Crush. Doom Storm. Maximum Distortion. Doom Storm. Sonic Boom.
Doomstorm, Sonic Boom. Phoenix, hello.
Maximum Distortion. Electro Crush. Doom Storm. Jump Start. Jump Start. Mobilize Mechadrones. Doom Crush. Doom Storm.
It's time to tangle, honestly.
He tangles so much.
Maximum Distortion. Doom Storm. Doom Storm. Maximum Distortion. Doom Storm. Doom Storm. Sonic Boom. Maximum Distortion.
Disappointed.
Oh.
Wind Up. Bloodthirsty Cackle.
Wind up. That's all they say. It's Thanksgiving in Canada, right? That was yesterday.
Bloodthirsty Cackle.
If I recall correctly, at least.
Wind Up. Bloodthirsty Cackle. RPG. Warp Blood. Trick Shot. Wind Up. Bloodthirsty Cackle.
My power is trans.
Bloodthirsty cackle.
RPGG.
I'm a bloodthirsty cackle enjoyer.
Shot. Wind Up. Bloodthirsty Cackle. RPGG. Trick Shot. Warp Blood. RPGG.
Only the strongest survive.
Yes, there was one hidden up there in the corner.
Yeah, I'm just released.
Yep, there's the release. You're so right.
You lazy fucker.
So I was waiting for you to start casting, just to like show you something, you know.
I will not waste my B-res on that.
Well, yeah, but I was waiting to see you start cast res, you know? I had to. In fact, I shouldn't actually have to play the game because I'm the healer, which means that, like, you know, you guys should be able to, like, do this all for me.
My power is transcendent. Share in it.
Rapid construction. Surveying beam.
Yeah, I'm hitting everyone with this frontal.
Hold place incorrectly, that's fun.
I mean, my frontal's kind of cool, honestly. Like, I don't know.
I know, my just only shield, only light,
Surveying beam.
only thing.
I can tell where you are by the center of whatever, like, glowy shit on the ground is, you know? Even if I can't tell it's you, it's like, oh, yeah. That's Cal. That's gotta be Cal.
That's glowing. Emerald that's glowing yellow.
A gift.
Shredation. Flamethrower. Surveying beam. Flamethrower. Surveying beam.
Well, well, what have we here?
Shredation.
You guys stay right where you
Shredation. Surveying beam. Shredation. Shredation. Flamethrower.
Oh, what?
Flamethrower.
Then stood in this blade.
Okay.
Shredation. Surveying beam. Shredation. Flamethrower. Flamethrower. Shredation. Shredation. Shredation.
Okay, how do people get hit by those? Like...
They decide to don't move.
Welcome to the firing range.
I was gonna say, bloodlust, guys.
Slow down and enjoy this.
Wait, I've never heard that voice line.
Big bada boom. Kinetic explosive gel. Barreling charge.
Slow
BBBFG.
down and enjoy this.
Barreling charge.
Yeah, they changed the voice line. Why?
Barreling charge. Kinetic explosive gel.
The pow, 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 pow.
Down and enjoy this.
Don't know.
This sucks!
Big bada boom.
Oh no, wait, that's kapow. Wait,
Kinetic
was there not, like,
explosive gel.
already another voice line for that? Or something?
Barreling charge.
So like I know, I'm thinking. I have concentration of stupid.
BBFG. Barreling charge. Barreling charge. Big bada boom. Kinetic
My
explosive gel.
henchmen will dispose of you.
All the mage die.
BBBFG. Big bada boom. Kinetic explosive gel.
We have a problem.
What? That's your problem.
We cannot target the bomb. Okay.
Yeah, we're rolling. He's at like 5%. Like I see him accelerate his death. We wowing out here on God, Scully do. Scully do, how are you, by the way?
Jettison kelp. Jettison kelp. Restorative algae. Kelp. Restorative algae. Restorative algae. Jettison kelp. Restorative algae. Jettison kelp.
A gift
Restorative algae.
of power.
Jettison kelp. Restorative algae.
Sort of algae. Taking a break from being super productive. How's the beam? Oh my god, I'm like... We wowing out here, for real, on God. I need to get my 10s in for the week. And that's kind of where I'm at right now. We're in combat? I feel like I could spam people who have DBM with that.
Bubbles.
Sludge cross. Mudslide.
As long as everyone stays in a group, I'm so happy. This is my favorite fight. Not to Mythopus in a while, enjoying Legion Remix? Oh my gosh. According to Cal, I'm like millions of years behind, which is fine, but like... Being an infinity behind is like, rough.
Just need to do M+.
Awaken the swamp. Sludge cloth.
That guy died through my Emerald Communion. Like, proc. Which is enough to fully heal people their full health every 2 seconds.
You have problem with Hunter? At the moment I have problem with Mage.
No, it's Hunters, it's Hunters. Mages are fine. It's just... This mage is... wild like that.
Sludge cloth. Mudslide.
Why did that charge up when I let go of the button? Okay. Lucky class, maybe?
Sludge cloth.
Why do I keep getting like Blessing of Freedom? Is that like a speed boost or something?
It's a speed boost, and when the paladin do it, if you have the talent, that's normally Red paladin have. They share another one. So they're casting too on random people.
Got it.
Surprise inspection. Overcharge.
It's just because you're the target next to him.
Oh, base. Well, that means I'm also in a good spot, right? So like...
You're in melee. That's what that means.
That's a good thing. Because I should be, like, next to people.
For that, I don't know for Evoker. Yeah, you're mid-range.
Surprise inspection.
Mid-range. I think it's pretty short range, honestly, relatively speaking. This inspector's going in.
Surprise inspection.
Sorry, the warlock feared this inspector. I'm way up now.
Nah. He will die eventually by deaths.
Surprise inspection.
Of power.
Surprise inspection. Surprise inspection.
There we go. I made a Dractor called Drac These, so I think I'm doing pretty well. Drac These nuts across your face. Yeah, no, actually, I'm very proud of you for that. The Dractor These nuts jokes are very, very powerful.
Surprise inspection. Surprise inspection.
My power is transcendent.
I love doing damage.
Surprise inspection. Surprise inspection.
I also do love playing this class because I love having infinite mana, basically.
Oh yeah.
Overcharge.
Yeah, infinite mana, you have good movement speed. Your buff is meh depending on the class you are with.
Yeah, but like, I'm kind of cool like that though.
Yep. You're considered a range, so you have the thing if we only have melee in the group.
Oh, if we just don't have hunters, that's all I, you know.
I missed some guys again.
Yeah, we can always TP out, it's not a big deal.
Yeah, we'll do the boss because Lost is ready.
Wow, I do so much healing without like thinking about the amount of healing I'm doing. And then I don't do much healing otherwise when people aren't taking damage, you know? But I can't tell that people aren't taking damage at the same time.
Turbocharge. Thunder punch. Giga zap.
You dare pit your wits against mine?
Leaping sparks. Thunder
There we go.
Giga zap. Turbocharge.
It's working! It's working!
Thunder Punch. Giga Zap.
A gift.
You dare!
Leaping Sparks.
Why did mine spawn that far away? Oh my god.
Thunder Punch. Giga Zap. Turbo Charge.
It's working!
Just quick runs.
Oh yeah, on the side, we don't need to use it.
Okay. Baby. I heard baby.
Yes. Yes, it's on me.
Oh my gosh.
A gift.
Overcharge.
He's sleeping tight on me without doing shit.
Honestly, the child should be like trying harder to like improve our parses for Mythic Plus.
The problem is if we start to wake up and ask for food, it'll reach doom.
Oh, you're right.
Rapid Construction.
Hey, but it happens, you know. we expect it.
Yeah, I expected around 8.
Well done.
Oh my god, they they have a schedule?
Yeah, every 3 hour ish.
Oh my god.
3 to 4 hour normally.
Narcissus pings Narcissus, yeah. Sigh, what is it? 7 o'clock? Alright, we have time before the baby needs to eat. Oh, Papa, let's go. I need pants. Ooh, yeah, you actually do need pants. That's so true. Yep. Me when I need pants, pants need pants. When I need pants. Scully, how far are you into remix, by the way? If you're still here. Honestly, that dungeon, Floodgate, easiest dungeon ever. Honestly. Great time work with Jesus noodle time. Yo. Alright, let's do what's fast. There's no Gambit or weird shit. I think we joined this one. I'm putting all of my stones in one basket, you know? Assuming we get invited. Oh, we aren't getting invited. Oh, yeah, Dawnbreaker, that's true.
Dawnbreaker and Olive Atonement is the 2 I need still for 10s.
10s? Okay. What about an 11? Oh, 80 with 688. So I've been grinding it pretty decently. Nice. That's not too bad. Pretty mellow, actually. Okay, they took the shaman for the Hoa. That's fair. There's a Gambit here now, though.
Wow, this group has a healer and a tank. Look, I'm a DPS. I can join. Look, I'm the best DPS. Why can't DPS get into keys? How would they invite the hunter? Why would anyone ever invite a hunter? Wait, is it really only my trinket that's holding my emerald back? Oh my god. That is gross. This was Gambit, right?
I think, yeah.
That's fresh. Cool, yeah. Trying to get all the Mythic Trials of Valor gear, so working on gearing up a warrior as well. Wait, what does that mean? Don't you get that from like vendors as well, though? Surely, right?
You get gear by the token you get when opening the box.
Oh, okay. So like,
and heroic cash from doing a normal and a heroic dungeon.
Mythic Trials of Valor gear you only get if you do raid Deathless. Oh, those ones for the achievement.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, I know what you're talking about now.
Just want to have a higher item level, and you will get it easy.
Okay, okay. Navi, hello. How are you? Welcome, welcome. Navi, are you doing Legion remix at all? Do you do you want me to do what you did for me in MOP or something? If you haven't. I guess I should drink a potion, huh? You haven't checked it out yet? Oh my god, do you want me to help you out with your leveling? Nah, I don't think I'm like far enough to be able to like force up a bunch of heroics, but I can definitely do normal solos, pretty much.
No, you can just ask me when we can just do Mythic 0.
Oh, true. Take Navi into some Mythic Zeros for fun. Is it fast XP there?
If you have the back piece up, yeah, otherwise, no.
Oh my gosh. But Navi, how have you been doing? Let me get you a shout out here. There we go. We love Navi.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3.
I'm too scared to open Spotify right now because of how like
Volatile pufferfish. Invigorating fish stick. Volatile pufferfish.
there we go. But yeah, right now it is Mythic less time.
Invigorating fish stick. Invigorating fish stick.
Very mythical. Ooh woo. Ooh woo. Oh my god. Get on fucking Apex Legends right now. I don't know what games exist. Get on Battlefield right now, alright?
Invigorating fish stick. Volatile invigorating fish stick. Invigorating fish stick. Invigorating fish stick. Invigorating fish stick.
Is
Volatile puffer fish. Try an MRRGGLLRRGG. Volatile puffer fish.
How does it feel taking damage?
Tidal stomp.
The
Invigorating
king is using cooldown.
Invigorating fish stick.
I'll use cooldowns when I need to.
Invigorating fish stick. Invigorating fish GGLLRRGG. Volatile puffer fish. Cry of MRRGGLLRRGG. MRRGGLLRRGG. Volatile puffer fish. Cry of MRRGGLLRRGG. Tidal stomp.
Yeah, I did use all my cooldowns.
Mine was like 5 seconds away.
I'm gonna keep this fight going because I think we can get this easier.
Invigorating fish stick.
The problem is the Murdoch does doing 200 more damage.
Yeah, but like, you're taking 60% less damage, so like, it basically makes up the difference, right?
Volatile puffer fish. Cry of MRRGGLLRRGG. Invigorating fish stick.
We're so close to dying.
Reset it.
Volatile invigorating fish stick. MRRGGLLRRGG. Volatile puffer fish.
They're so close to dead, okay? Like, I would reset normally, but like...
Reset.
Cry of MRRGGLLRRGG. Volatile puffer fish.
You need to carry the stick tank for taking aggro back.
Cry of MRRGGLLRRGG.
Yeah, don't worry. I'm just cool like that, you know? I'm actually a dragon. Do you have fish sticks in your mouth? Yes. I do like fish sticks in my mouth. VR chat, yes! Hop on VR chat. That's so true. What time is that? Tonight? First try.
Yeah. Yeah, agree.
Volatile puffer fish. Invigorating fish stick. Invigorating fish stick.
I love walking behind hunters. It's so fun. Favorite activity. Favorite activity. I love talking about how much I love walking behind hunters.
GLLRRGG.
Why am I hearing more Murloc sounds from the dead Murlocs? That's crazy. Sounds like you really... Hunters are my favorite class, okay? Cal, how much do I love hunters? I don't know.
So if you play a remix with us, make a hunter. We'll be really happy.
You shouldn't make a hunter, honestly. I don't think being a hunter is like the right thing to do, honestly. I think, I feel like this isn't like a really aggressive take at all, but I think all hunters should like suffer a painful death and like not be allowed to play any content ever again. Or something. You like being bullied. Is the hunter the right choice? I will make fun of you. If you even step slightly out of my range, it's your fault, okay? It's not my fault for being out of position. I'm gonna go trigger RP.
See how your wisdom fares against the might
Might of the Titans.
A gift.
Oh my god, where we are! This is a Legion remix reference.
Crackle.
Yes, you just saw that.
Well, I didn't think about like remix specifically before. It's like, wow, this is like.
Yeah, that's Legion. The other one is Battle of Azeroth.
Yeah, I actually want to check the map here. The Stormheim map doesn't look great for where we are.
You desecrate these halls.
Hey guys, me when I desecrate Navi. Oh, sorry, what?
Purifying burst.
In the room, at least.
Titanic crash. Purifying burst.
Burn, interlopers!
That's a bit of a mess that person's making over there.
Sanitizing cycle. Sanitizing cycle.
Okay, the hunter does not need to walk out of my range there. Like they don't need to walk that far away.
You check each time he's casting a spell, he's moving a little bit away.
Purifying burst.
I'm watching him now.
Titanic crash. Purifying burst.
You don't think about how much hunters move until you're staring at the hunter the entire fight. Like,
Titanic crash.
did he need to go back there?
No.
Purifying burst. Purged by fire.
The temple must be purified!
Sanitizing cycle.
Like, it's a hunter, right? Like,
Saria's arrogance will be her downfall.
I was on the right spot. I guess I wasn't. It's fucked.
A taxing journey, but our path remains true.
But our path remains true. Oh wait, when did I get into this outfit? Wait, what happened? Oh, Koki. Here's your oppressive roar, okay?
Tidal burst.
I know how much you love stunning these guys. You did that an hour ago? Oh my god. And I've just been wearing this entire time?
I know you're wearing this if Koki's there.
That is true.
Talent for acquiring intriguing artifacts. This was found among the ruins of the Black Empire, yes?
Alright, I'm opening Spotify and pressing play.
Apologies, Captain.
Is transcendent.
Tidal burst.
You lot meddled with the wrong buccaneer.
Our captain is a dragon? Our
Tidal
captain is
burst.
a dragon!
Tidal burst. Tidal burst.
Yeah, I know it's too late.
Tidal burst. Tidal burst.
A gift
Okay.
of power.
Tidal burst. Tidal burst.
I'm actually curious, can I stack this? I can't. Not anymore. Used to be able to echo your echo.
Still fun. You know what I mean?
Yep.
You change it.
to go to whoever brings me their tongue. Take no prisoners.
Okay, the mage is cheating a lot.
Infinite breath. Time bombs.
What does time bomb even do? Is it just more damage over time?
Take no prisoners.
Infinite breath. Time bombs.
So near. Oh my god.
Infinite breath.
Is that barrage each time? I think it's just me focusing on like clearing off the weird shit.
Infinite breath.
Yeah.
Infinite breath.
Take no
Time bombs.
prisoners.
Infinite breath. Time bombs.
A gift of power.
Bam!
All hands on deck.
Like right here, right?
I'm
Surely.
there.
Maybe.
Drifting star.
Must you hound my every
I think we have the percent you missed last time. So he were at 67 last time around.
Yeah,
So
two more, so we should be
Only the
fine.
withered and dead belong
The
in
Murloc aggro.
museums. Like your cartel.
That
was
one
the
pull.
Murloc.
Your cartel has dissolved into dust. I choose to lead mine to glory.
Unstable rift. Unstable rift. Unstable rift. Unstable rift.
Unstable rift.
Unstable rift. Unstable rift. Unstable rift. Unstable rift.
Unstable rift. Alright, guys. Unstable rift. Trust me, I love unstable rift, alright?
Drifting star.
Look at that hunter over there.
Wandering pulsar.
Can I say the thing? He's out of range of my...
He just didn't move from the first full left back I did.
Share in it.
I'm sorry, though.
Drifting star. Unstable pulsar. Drifting star.
Perfect.
No, not perfect.
Listen, 5%, more like 500%. We didn't even make it.
I pulled more and I got less. What the fuck?
Game broken?
Shuriken Blitz. Collapsing star. Shuriken Blitz. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Hyper light spark.
Cast got off.
Reset.
Yeah. Cool, that's good. I'm just gonna save my interrupt for the second one.
I will unmake you.
Summon assassin.
Remove these pests.
Hyper light spark. Shuriken Blitz.
I hit the first one. I guess it's the only one.
Collapsing star.
Stars are mine.
Collapsing energy. Hyper light spark. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy.
It's not very.
Collapsing.
I'm not even going for it.
My
Hyper
power
light spark.
is transcendent.
Summon assassin.
Remove these pests.
Hyper light spark. Shuriken Blitz.
The stars are mine. Say it. Say it. The stars are yours. Come on.
Collapsing star. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy.
You are
Hyper light jolt.
nothing.
Power overwhelming.
Yeah, come over to the corner over here.
Energy fragmentation.
Mine to control.
My power is transcendent. Share in
Collapsing star.
I can feel them all.
Hyper light nova.
What? Mine to control.
Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Collapsing energy. Energy fragmentation. Collapsing energy.
The hunter has a job. And they want to get to it.
He's more very scared.
I'm gonna go to the far side.
Power overlight jolt.
Yeah, it's Spotify causing this.
Power overlight.
Hinder me.
Hyper light nova.
Creation. My command.
I've now learned that the audio issue is literally Spotify.
Collapsing star.
I can feel them all.
Energy fragmentation.
At my command.
The thing is far away.
The first ones hid these artifacts for good reason. They are not meant for us. I am grateful our paths crossed, Moor Walker. These troublesome pieces will reside where they can do no more harm and be studied by Cartel Al.
That's only
Until
3%.
our fortunes meet again.
You know, that's 3% that we need.
Drifting star. Wandering pulsar. Drifting star.
Fell back asleep? Oh, gross. Resident sleeper out here, honestly. How is the frame away from you? Well, you know. It was very fun, honestly. Very relaxing, even. Peace of mind, or some shit like that. I think this was a more fun group than the first Gambit.
Less damage, but at least everyone was doing their job.
Yeah. I felt like my healing was more, like, impactful this one. The other one is, like, I felt like I was just spam healing into, like, some random person for no reason, not getting any value, and it just, like, yeah.
The only thing you have a problem was the hunter because it was always out of range.
Well, it's... I'm allowed to complain about hunters. I'm playing Evoker, okay?
But think I can't complain that about any class.
Yeah, so it looks like I healed more in the first Tazavesh. Well, my damage is in good ranges, so we all good.
Well, someone got it.
Do I have technique?
You got the trinket?
Yeah.
Want the neck?
All good.
Let's go give it the neck.
Oh, the guy already left. Cool. That's my 4 dungeons, I think, for... Unless one of these was accidentally in 9 or some shit. Whoop whoop. Hi. Hi, Ellie. Feudal time is over. Is it back to work time? Oh no. Alright, let's check my vault. $10. Yeah, okay, we're good. My vault is happy with my actions. I got full heroic top row or whatever. Unless I do like a mythic rush right now, like first 2 bosses mythic, trust.
Yeah, sure.
What? I think it's very simple to do that, okay? Trust you me, I'm going to go play Augur right now, okay?
So now we do the Vault for Legion remix?
Is there a Vault and Legion remix?
No.
Yeah, I'm good. It's 3 hours of the stream. I think I'm good to just take a rest, maybe take a nap or something. Got work a little bit later, so... it should be good for me. I'm gonna figure out this fucking Spotify issue, but thanks to the games, Cal, I'll be back around later on. And congratulations on your AOTC.
Yeah, that will be next week for you.
Ideally, yeah. I don't think I work, so that should be good. Less. All right.
Yeah, because normally it's another one, and after that we do the achievement.
Hell yeah. Should be good to go. All right, check out. See it. All right. For everyone else here, it's been a really nice time having y'all around, but alas, it is about time to head out. I don't know. Words are so wordy in the morning, honestly. But I guess I could find someone to raid into. Who's up this morning? It's a good question. See you, Dweebface. Oh my gosh. Duke and I really hope to see you soon, okay? Like, if I don't see you soon, I will commit horrendous crimes against the human race, okay? So, like, I love looking at my possible raid list in the morning and just seeing I'm only sleeping, I'm only sleeping, I'm only sleeping, I'm only sleeping. That's crazy. Is Che on at all? Oh. I could just like raid a Valorant player, and then when Levi wakes up and sees that someone's playing Valorant, they're like, "Oh my god, Valorant! I love Valorant." Welcoming Horrendous crimes about the human race. Fuck them humans. Literally. Oh my god. Yeah, we'll raid Acre today, I think. Should be good. But yeah. I hope you guys got some good stuff going on today. Ellie, hello. I hope that you're having an amazing day. At Ellie, oh whoa. I love Ellie so much. I'm so like separate from every online like existence, and I have been for a while, but Ellie always says hi, and it's just like, I love Ellie. Yeah. For now, no. I'm gonna head out. Thank y'all so much for coming by. I'll see you guys soon. Should hopefully be doing a stream like shortly. We're gonna be doing a bit of a collab thing on Thursday. I'm not sure how big it's gonna be, how big it's gonna take off, but like, you know, we got 3 or 4 people right now. I think that's pretty okay to do something. So yeah. For everyone else here, I hope you guys have an amazing night. Or day. Yeah, it's 7 a.m. Yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Yeah. Enjoy yourselves with Acre, and I'll give you guys like a raid message. Feel free to replace these emotes with any other emotes you have if you don't have a sub or anything. It's not too big a deal at all. I think that's comfortable right there. I think that's cute. Okay. All right. Dignite, you stay safe. Scully, good luck with work today. Also, Dignite, make sure you don't fall asleep for a 3rd time, okay? Trust me. And Koki, I hope you have an amazing day. I hope work was uneventful and You're getting some good rest after. Ciao, you guys. Stay safe. Try for you. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. Good luck with your call, Scully. Ciao, y'all.